Let's go enough to drive on your own now. Come on, that's right. Bonbon can drive alone now. Well then, Bonbon, show Gary just how good you are. Huh? Bonbon even knows the traffic laws now. If you show Gary how good you are, then you can discuss whatever you want. Right? Yeah. Good. Get going then.
Kita di kasi na-enjoy.
Thank you, Kyle. Don't mention it. Okay. Bonbon, have a safe trip. See you soon. It's a good thing
Ang gusto ko
Bonbon
pinagay
and
sa
Gary found each other. The young Dustlers and Bonbon spent a wonderful day together. Toto and Bonbon.
Here goes the Toto and Toto, heading back from work. It was one busy day today.
Toto!
Tayo, where are you headed today?
To the playground. Do you want to come with me?
I don't know. I'm a little tired, actually.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Okay.
Wow, I didn't know you were here, Bonbon. Who is this guy? Oh, this is my friend Toto.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Toto. Let's play with me.
Well, okay.
Oh yeah, let's play tag together, Toto.
What? What? You already started the game without me? Oh.
I got you. That means Bonbon's in now. Wait. Why isn't Toto playing with us?
Oh.
Huh?
Well, it seems a bit dangerous.
Toto, should we do something else? I'm gonna show you something funny. Watch. You do it just like this.
So noisy. These baby cars are so noisy. I don't think I'll get along with them very well.
The next morning, Tito is on his way to school. It's fast.
Where are you going?
Oh, it's Papa.
What's that in your bag?
Oh, it's what I used to pull broken down cars with.
What is it? I'll do mine too. Let me out.
No, you can't. It's only for the cars that are broken down.
Oh, it's just for once.
Oh my, I told you not to do it.
It's very fun.
Just wait. I have to go to school pretty soon. Okay, let's go to school for now. Go to the repair shop after class.
Class is about to start at school. Teach is taking attendance. Loki? Here. Johnny?
Here. Tayo? Here. Toto?
Here.
Huh? Bonbon's here too.
Oh, how come you're at school?
Actually, my towing rack is broken, so I brought him with me.
Oh, is that so? Bonbon, you have to promise to stay very quiet during the class, okay?
Yes, Miss Teach.
Today, we are going to learn about our town. There are many different buildings in our town. What is this place? That's correct.
Toto, what is it, Uncle?
It's where sick people
Toto, what's that place? Upstairs.
Fire trucks are set up.
Sit out? What do you mean they're sit out?
They drive out wailing with sirens.
Oh, then what is a siren?
A siren is just a siren. Oh dear.
Toto, you have to be quiet in class.
I'm sorry. Mom, you've got me in a lot of trouble. You're gonna have to make sure that you're quiet now.
Okay.
Next, we'll take a look at this place over here.
Yoy!
What is this?
Oh, it's a theater. It's where you
Sagad, Bigoy!
That's right. You know very well. What's that sound?
No, I didn't.
Toto!
Oh, that's...
Dari ke Bigoy anak Sagad,
It's
Bigoy.
all Bonbon's fault. I have to go straight to the repair shop right after class.
Sige ka. Okay? Ano na pala? Siya? Di ba?
Toto, what's the occasion? My pencil needs to be fixed. It's broken.
Hannah went out on a repair and she won't be back until later this evening.
What's that? Oh, no.
Where's Tayo gone?
He's out of the playground with his friends.
Toto, Bonbon wants to go to the playground.
No. No, we have to wait for him right here.
Oh no, I won't go to the playground.
Oh, my. Just for a moment, okay?
It's so much fun.
Tayo! Let's do it again!
Well, I want to go down the slide too.
No, Bonbon. It's dangerous to go down the slide like that.
Then I must play tag.
No, you can't do that.
Hide and seek.
No,
A race.
no.
You're so mean. You can tell you can't do anything.
That's because we were stuck together like this.
Yeah.
We couldn't play even if we stayed. Let's go back to the garage and see if Hannah's there.
No, I'm not going. I will stay in the playground.
What should I do? We will continue on if we stay here. Oh, right. Bonbon, you were curious about the places we learned at school today. You want to go see them for yourself?
Really? Sure.
That's a relief. At least we can get out of this playground.
Toto explains in detail what Bonbon was curious about.
It's where sick people come and get fixed.
Oh.
This is the theater.
Wow.
Toto feels a little better to see Bonbon amazed and happy.
I know this place. It's a fire station.
Yes, it is. Oh, you wanted to know what a siren is, didn't you? I'll show you. Watch. Here you go.
Wow, that's great. Toto's awesome.
Oh, where's the fire? Where's the fire? No, nothing. Dr. Smart.
Yes, I want to be a smart boy like Toto when I grow up.
What? You want to be like me? Oh,
Toto, what's wrong?
I'm suddenly running out of energy.
Oh,
I think I'm almost out of fuel. I gotta fill up soon.
really?
I don't see a filling station nearby. I better not stop in the middle of the main road.
Oh no. I know a filling station. I went there and carried before.
You do? Which way is it?
It's that way.
Okay, go. So tiring. My engine's gonna go off soon.
Toto, hang on. Just a little more. Let's go, Toto. Let's go.
Okay, just a little more.
Filling station.
Toto and Bonbon safely arrive at the filling station.
Phew. I would have broken down in the middle of the road if it weren't for you. Thank you, Bonbon.
No problem. Toto is great.
You two seem very close.
You're very good together.
We do? Bonbon and we're close? I wanted to be unstuck very badly earlier.
Hello? You finished filming?
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Hannah comes back in the evening.
There. Bong Bong, you come down slowly. Okay. Pluto, look at me. I can move freely now.
Good for you.
Pluto!
Yeah?
You must be so very tired. I saw Bonbon whining earlier. It must be hard.
Don't you feel free now that you're not stuck with Bong Bong anymore?
Oh? Well, actually,
Okay, Bonbon has to go home now. I'll call Carrie to come and pick you up, okay?
home if you like.
Aren't you tired from taking care of him the whole day? Are you sure?
I'm fine. Don't worry. Bonbon, let's get going.
Okay.
When did they become so close?
I don't know. Toto, are you tired? It's because of Bong Bong, isn't it?
No, I had so much fun. Thanks to you, Bong Bong. It's been great.
Really?
It has.
I had a lot of fun too. My friend Toto.
Let's stay as good friends from now on.
Of course.
Although Bonbon and Toto are not connected to each other anymore, their bond of friendship is stronger than ever.
Zito's secret.
Zito is on his way back to the garage after a long day.
Oh, that was quite a long day. Oh, hey, that's Maddie.
Where are you?
Maddie,
Oh, Zito.
What are you doing out here?
I came out for a drive and I got lost.
What? I told you not to drive on unfamiliar streets alone.
I know, I'm sorry. Hey?
It's a good thing I ran into you. Let's get going.
Okay.
Donnie! What happened to you?
Well, I was trying to avoid the other buses. You can't catch me.
Those kids. Kyle, Rookie!
Bye, Zito.
You two. I told you not to drive rough here.
I'm sorry.
Zito was really scary today. He always yells at us when we play.
Yeah, and we were just trying to have a little revival, but come on, guys, he's just looking out for us. He helped me today too. Yeah, he's also helped me out before too. I want to be like Zito when I grow up.
Like Zito? It wouldn't be easy. We're probably nothing like the way Zito was when he was young.
You're probably right.
The next morning,
Good morning. Good morning.
Zito!
Huh?
Zito!
I have no clue.
Now where did that kid go?
Excuse me, sir. But who are you?
Oh, how cute you kids are. Have you seen Zito?
no, we already woke up.
I see. He's still sleeping. Oh, Ula! I'm sorry. When did you get here? You? Just where have you been? I'm really sorry. I was just watching out. I told you to watch out earlier.
I never seen Zito so
Did you get everything ready?
No, not yet. second.
Who are you, mister? Vito was so scared of you.
Who am I? I'm Booba, and I was the senior boss when Zito was little. I took care of Zito ever since his first day in the garage.
Boss ako man.
He was so much trouble. I used to scold him all the time.
What did Vito
Hello, good morning, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Thank you for joining my live stream again.
When Zito was little, he was very plain.
Hello, Sir Biglang.
Caused a lot of trouble. One day, he was racing a car wrench. Stop right there, you little rascal. Didn't I tell you it's dangerous to drive so fast? I told you a million times. You need to time out in the garage. Consider yourself grounded, mister.
Yeah, I'm doing laundry today because more
And that's not all.
dirty t-shirt again, dirty clothes.
If he's being good in the garage, I'll let him.
Yan ang direct arena.
Uwan, arena. Ada mo lang dyan pang kwati chicken dyan dito. Inayam mo na.
He called his friend over to play in the garage. He may be now, but he wasn't before. You see, when he was little, you could leave his passengers behind.
Lapitin ang gusto.
Fail his driving exams.
Whoa, no way!
So I gave him a stolen one day. Zito! And he ran off crying. When he didn't return to the garage, I went up to find him. Zito! Zito!
What do I do?
And he was crying on the side of the road. Zito! What are you doing here? I've been looking for you.
Well, I got lost and I didn't know what to do.
I see. It's okay. Let's go back to the garage.
I ran out of fuel, so I can't move.
What? So I had to drag him all the way back to the bus garage.
Sorry.
Vito used to be just like us.
Good. So funny.
Oh, it's nothing.
Booba, do you have any idea what's going on here? No clue. So anyway, Zito, have you brought everything? Yes, I have. So hurry up and get ready. We need to go. Get ready here? And hurry up. All right.
What's wrong with Vito? I don't know.
You'll find out soon. way. One day, I came back to the garage and couldn't find Zito. Zito! Where's he got you now? So I went out to look for him in case he was causing trouble. Zito! Zito! To this day, which is why I wanted to tag along. He's made a lot of mistakes, but because of it,
Lapos dun atay nakaglaba.
Zito has grown up to be the one.
Tani, brum, brum. La, may. Damdaman tumanin ah. Stone. Ay,
I'm just embarrassed to be seen like this.
tak deren.
You look really great.
Tak deren aping.
You don't look nearly as scary as you usually do.
Hey, Zito, can we all go with you?
Sure, of course.
Saya itlog na tayo, itlog na. Itlog na natin na. Hindi siguro hindi similar sa itlogan na. Jadi, kunin sa ba? Siguro, wala kaya nagsabi ko sa itlogan na. Ya? Ito lang ang mga technical. Sabi ko yun, okay na. Parang mo pala hindi bakina ah. Parang mo pala hindi bakay.
Waiting, hello, Merry Christmas.
Yay! Sige ka sa mukong.
Hindi mo lang malmalpas ng dede dako yun. Ay! Bonso! Bonso! Magaling nga ata tibigyan. Oh! Balik ata. Bikin data ni. Bukan.
Ay, crispy fry ko yan.
Aritan sa baba. Hindi ko. $20. Wow, katong tabado mo.
Suka pa.
Katong tabado mo.
Yeah.
How much?
Ada?
Chicken joy. Kurang? Saksat? Pakitakin natin. Kalau dito yan, pakitakin natin. Basta damo po. Nanak po.